Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. Code Grey protocol said to be enforced in Karnataka medical colleges to ensure doctor safety. In response to nationwide demands from doctors for workplace safety, the Karnataka government plans to introduce the Code Grey protocol, a system already in place in Kerala's medical colleges and hospitals. Additionally, the state government will conduct regular security audits to ensure the safety of women doctors, nurses, and other female staff in medical colleges, according to a report by The Hindu. On-duty doctor and nursing staff threatened by two security guards at Kolkata hospital. Two security guards reportedly intoxicated allegedly threatened on an on-duty doctor, nursing staff and other personnel at the state-run North Suburban Hospital in Kosipur on Friday night. The police arrested the guards after receiving a complaint from the hospital authorities. According to the PTI report, an officer of Kosipur police station said, "The matter is being probed. We have arrested them after receiving a complaint from the hospital authorities." Supreme Court review petition filed against NEET 2024 judgment. As NEET counselling proceeds across various states, a petition has been filed in the Supreme Court requesting a review to its order that rejected a re-examination of NEET 2024. The review plea submitted by Kajal Kumari seeks reconsideration of the court's August 2 order, which concluded that there was insufficient evidence of the systematic leaks or malpractice compromising the examination's integrity, according to a recent PTI report. EPS criticizes Tamil Nadu government for vacant positions in government hospitals. In a recent statement, EPS, the leader of the opposition in Tamil Nadu, sharply criticized the state government for failing to address the widespread vacancies in the government hospitals. EPS pointed out that many key positions, including deans at government medical colleges and roles for doctor, nurses and paramedical staff in the public health sector, remain unfilled across Tamil Nadu. This shortage of staff is reportedly leading to a decrease in the quality of patient care, longer wait times and an increased burden on existing personnel. Junior doctor protest at Lal Bazar call for Kolkata Police Commissioner resignation. The indefinite strike by junior government doctors in outdoor patient departments reached its 25th day on Monday. The protesting medics intensified their actions by staging a demonstration at Lal Bazar, the Kolkata Police headquarters. They are demanding the resignation of City Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal, accusing him of failing to prevent the vandalism at Ajikar Hospital on August 14. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.